Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely fantastic day. Thank you so much for being here. It does mean a lot to me. And I do want to again thank you for subscribing, commenting, giving the video a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. It helps me out. I love talking with you guys. So please, if you do like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. As you can see from the description, we are doing the December 2018 EarFleek. And EarFleek, if you do not know, is a monthly subscription. It is probably the cheapest monthly subscription there is. It is only $3.49, and they send you a pair of earrings every month. And I love it. You can pick between Boho Babe, Simple and Fun, and there's another one. Like, they have different types of earrings that you can choose. They are nickel free, which is great. I have not had any issues with any of the earrings I have received. I've loved all of them, and I do the Boho Babe because I generally like longer dangly earrings. So we are going to pull it out and see what we got for December. It always comes with a fun card. Hey girl, and it'll tell you about your earrings, or, you know, a new pair. They always come bubble wrapped, which is great. And then they come inside a cute little baggie. These, now I will say, this is the first pair I have gotten that is actually not quite that dangly. Let's see. And I like too that they generally always connect them with a little tube. You can see here. These are cute. Let's see the best way to show you. You can see it's like a little swirly, and it has like a little rhinestone here. They are stud earrings, so they are really cute, and they are silver. So these are super cute. I'm actually not gonna take them off because what I think I may do is pop these into a little giveaway. Like I said, I generally go for more of the dangly earrings. So even though I think these are super, super adorable, not quite my style. So, like I said, I'll pop these into a giveaway from one of you guys. So be on the lookout for that. Let me guys know what you think. Do you get EarFleek? Do you think $3.49 is a great deal for a pair of earrings every month? I know I do. I love it. So again, let me know what you guys think. I hope that you have again had a wonderful day. I will make sure to leave all the information down below if you would like to sign up, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.